Hello and welcome again, and today I'm going to demonstrate you how you can design with the help of Adobe Illustrator a snake with ancient medical snake and streak, ancient medical design or means medical symbol, whatever you want to say. So this is circle, simple circle, ellipse tool with the help of ellipse tool. So no stroke, only fill. So here, from here I'm going to draw a line like this, so like this, and increase the size. And now with the help of width tool, so here this thing just post it here, and now you can see everything is looking good. And increase the size, more thicker one, so put it here. And now this side, hit alt with the help of align tool, everything should be aligned. Okay, now take okay. And now object path, outline strokes. Okay, now like this, object path, outline strokes, united everything, put it here. Now I'm going to make a snake. Okay, the snake like this. So I'm smoothify this sector, not like this one. And now it's look like this. And now the head of snake, so it's should be very easy to make head of snake. So from here down, and it's look like this. So put it to side and small like this, take it. Okay, and now change the profile. I'm not satisfied with this profile. Now it's looks like this. Now great, 2.2 3 points. Okay, now this one. And now what I'm going to do, let's see, this is basic. And now with the help of width tool, change the width size. Okay, and now here let's say change and like this, change like this, and this one, this is almost ready. Okay, so drag it like this. Okay, nice. Now unite it everything. Before unite it, go to path, outline stroke. Now this is everything is object. Now unite it with the help of shape builder tool. Now what I'm going to do, just go to path, object, path, outline stroke, object, path, offset path. Now here change a little bit of 1 or 2 pixels is great, but here round it, or the bevel, no, round it, it should be great. Here you can see this changes, and hit OK, change the color. This is almost white. So now the same thing I'm doing here, object, go to path, outline strokes, path, offset path. See here the 2 pixel is already given, so here our icon is ready. Okay, now one thing I'm going to do, just drag a eyes, so this eyes should be like this, and now it's looks nice. Now I'm going to do more things with the help of a star, and now with down arrow, down, no, not star, I'm doing with the polygon tool. It's going great. So it's now see this one, I need this one. Okay, now I'm going to change the color, fill color. It should be not black, there should be a yellow one. Okay, that should be visible. Okay, now nice. And I'm going to expand this everything, and before expanding everything, do one thing, go to properties here and check these things, because if you are not check these things, it will proportionally is destroy this the width, angle, and the effect which you given in this thing. So should make sure that in property, go to property, and before this, and make sure that it should be checked before increase or decreasing the size of this your artwork. Okay, so this is the one trick, this nice trick, and please like and share. Okay, and it will give us inspirations. Okay, so see, copy, paste it font, and decrease the size. Now in black color, this thicker one. Okay, nice. So we have get this symbol and this symbol, and if you want to give a gradient, so gradient here, so put a gradient, no stroke, only fill. So here, and this one should be great. Now holding G, hold G, and you can see this thing, and drag a little bit up like this, and you can change the toggle it, reverse the gradient. Okay, so this the gradient from the bottom to top. Okay, so now with the help of polygon tool, with the help of polygon tool, and increase this polygon shape. Okay, now I'm going to make a screw type of things. So before doing this, change the gradient. Okay, change this gradient over here. Okay, nice. And this is right. Okay, and make sure this point one, this is the point. Okay, so you can play with this gradient like this. This is, I'm using 2021. Okay, and this shadow. Okay, and there's something still like of this edit gradient should be edit, and this one. Okay, nice. Copy paste it to back. Now check this thing. Okay, now is the opacity down. Okay, now change the opacity down like this. Okay, nice. Now copy paste it font. So gradient like this, and hit Alt here. I'm going to change the gradient style. Okay, now see, this is a metallic look. Grouping everything, group it, and now it should be like this, and put it over here, and almost this steady one, and put it. But before doing this, everything, hitting Alt and 2 and lock this layer, hitting Alt and 2, lock this layer. Now you can go and this inconvenience, and so select this tongue also, grouping everything, and now put it over here. So okay, nice. Okay, hitting Alt, hit Alt, hold Alt, over here, hit Alt, and align everything. So this is our icon, and select Alt, Control and A, hit Alt, Control and 2. So let's unlock this every layer. Okay, this is shortcut trick. Okay, this is shortcut. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, and if you really think this video tutorial is very helpful for you, please like and share. Thank you. Grouping everything and drag it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.